Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to our cooking channel. Today we'll be making easy jollof rice. I already boiled my chicken. You need some chicken stock, 2 onions, butter if you want, 1 seasoning cube, tomatoes puree, garlic, salt to taste, thyme, curry powder, vegeta on rice, half of the rice, and vegetable oil. So this is the oil I put in fry pan. I'm using to fry the chicken. I already fried up the chicken. So the next step now is to fry the onions and the tomatoes together. After your onions is brown, add your tomato puree. Leave it to fry like 4 minutes. The tomatoes is being fried. Slice your habanero pepper. Add as much as you want. Will only be added to. So after the tomatoes is fried, add the normal tomatoes to it. You can use fresh one. So after adding everything, add some vegeta, 1 spoon, some curry powder, 1 spoon, some thyme, 1 spoon, after that add a little bit of salt because there is salt in the chicken stock, and stir everything together. Add some Maggi boost if you want. Add your fresh pepper to it. So add the fresh pepper. Just check on the tomato. Add some bay leaf. And some chicken stock. Can't break, just leave it inside to melt and stir everything together. So this is the rice. You wash your rice, some warm water. This is the rice. I already washed it. And the tomatoes. So after mixing up, add some chicken stock to it. Do not add much and stir it together again. So leave it to cook like about 25 minutes on a low heat. So now I'm going to shake it. Add some butter if you want. Not that much. And add some onions on top. And cover it with foil. So cook for extra 8 minutes.